The Ford F-150 is one of the most popular trucks in the United States, known for its durability, performance, and versatility. Here's a detailed specification overview for the 2024 Ford F-150 engine options. The F-150 offers multiple engine options to suit different needs. 3.3-liter V, 290 horsepower, 265 pound-feet of torque. 2.7-liter EcoBoost, VI 6 turbocharged, 325 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. 5.0-liter V8 Coyote, 400 horsepower, 410 pound-feet of torque. 3.5-liter EcoBoost, 6 turbocharged, 400 horsepower, 500 pound-feet of torque. 3.5-liter PowerBoost, full hybrid VI 6 430 horsepower, 570 pound-feet of torque. High output, 3.5-liter EcoBoost Raptor trim, 450 horsepower, 510 pound-feet of torque. Supercharged 5.2-liter V8 Raptor R, 700 horsepower, 640 pound-feet of torque. Transmission 10-speed, automatic transmission standard across all trims. Towing capacity, best-in-class towing up to 14,000 pounds with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. Payload capacity, up to 3,315 pounds with the 5.0-liter V8 engine. Fuel efficiency varies by engine. Hybrid 3.5-liter PowerBoost, 25 miles per gallon city, 26 miles per gallon highway, standard engines. Between 19 to 24 miles per gallon combined, depending on configuration. Interior and technology, available 12-inch digital instrument cluster, Sync 4 infotainment system with a 12-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto available, B&O premium sound system. Pro Power onboard system generator function for powering tools and devices. Trims. The F-150 comes in various trims: XL, base model with essential features; XLT, added comfort and tech features; Lariat, mid-level luxury and tech; King Ranch, Western luxury style; Platinum, premium trim with upscale materials; Limited, top luxury and features; Raptor, off-road, performance-focused; Raptor R, high performance, supercharged engine off-road. Capabilities: available FX4 off-road package with skid plates, off-road shocks, and all-terrain tires. Raptor and Raptor R models offer extreme off-road performance with four-wheel drive systems, adaptive suspension, and more. Safety features: Ford Co-Pilot 360, pre-collision assist, adaptive cruise, control lane, keeping assist, blind spot, monitoring, rear view camera.